Hi, guys. Welcome into our little cozy after hours setup. I'm Naina Bhan,
I'm Sakshi Shivdasani.
and as the fourth episode of this day, we are really feeling the cozy vibes. Natasha's put down two bean bags and we're sinking.
Two?
Sorry, Natasha's put one bean bag for the A celebrity and for the B talent.
Sickening,
There's a
actually.
pillow. She's balancing her little cute bum on.
We asked you guys on Instagram on the Moment of Silence pod account, which, by the way, thank you so much for getting us to 20K as of next week. And I don't know when this episode comes out. For assumptions that you have about us. Before we get into the video and tell you guys the sick things y'all have assumed about us, please subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to my small business.
Yeah.
So my small ass has a beanbag chair for the next set of episodes. And let's
get into the episode. Hi, guys. So earlier today, we asked you to give us assumptions, and lots of you have written in, why are you assuming so much about us?
sickening.
It's almost like we asked you and gave you the consent.
Truly.
So should we go Sakshi's page, Moment of Silence page, and my page? Or should we just add
It's
random?
not in real time. So
Oh,
who
sorry.
are you asking, Dora?
Amy.
I'm gonna start with the Moment of Silence pod page because you guys are my most loyal people. The first assumption is Naina's afraid of marathons because she's scared of being healed.
Yeah, you're actually right. Because honestly, sometimes when I'm exercising or if my heartbeat gets too fast for a sustained amount of time, I do start crying, and it does remind me of things in my life. So thank you for pointing that out.
Okay. The next assumption, this one is a personal favorite. It's Sakshi is the brains.
It's true.
It's not.
It's true.
It's really not.
It's really true. See, the thing is, this before she does some humble spiel, that she's too smart and she's too quick on her feet, and it doesn't matter who's on the other side of the couch. The episode is banging always.
I'll tell you what it is. I can do anything on camera. I can match the vibe of our guests. I can do all of that. But truly, if there was no Nena, there was no podcast because I can't do any of the behind the scenes stuff, including uploading a fucking reel. Like, I really am just like too lazy for it. So, I do bring on a set of skills. Nena brings on a set of skills depending on what you think the brains are. We both are the brains. We like to act a little bit stupid. We like to act a little bit silly. But honestly, we're really, really smart. IIT, hit us up. The next assumption is you guys are on Raya.
Somebody sent me a referral. I have not tried to be on Raya, but I am sure I'll get it.
So that's
Yeah.
the thing. I was also pretty sure. I have 6 referrals and I'm not on Raya. They
Okay.
just didn't accept me.
Who is this? Who is this? We've only talked smack about every other dating app except
Truly.
Raya. So why aren't you getting Sakshi in? Give her the good.
Come on. I deserve it, okay? Y'all are secretly insane, but the hotness cancels out the insane part.
Yeah, did you speak to my ex recently, perchance? I do agree.
I also agree, yeah. We're not secretly insane. I feel like we're pretty in your face insane.
Look, everyone's a little insane, but if you're self aware, isn't that kind of hot?
I think it
so.
is. You both are very popular and mean in school and college.
Facts.
I was not in school I wasn't popular or mean. In college I was a little bit of both. But not mean to other people. I was more of the girls that would see someone getting bullied and I would be mean to the bully, and I really got a kick out of it. Not because I cared about the person being bullied, because I thought I got karma points.
Yeah, you do.
Yeah.
And you get to be here with the bully of other people on this podcast.
Sick.
Here's your karma.
Would
Yeah.
you have bullied me in college or
No,
school?
we would have bullied people together.
I would not have bullied.
You would have.
No.
Yeah. Yeah.
Stop. Someone has commented lesbian dot 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 dot.
This has come across. This has come up, I think, 4, 5, 6
Yeah.
times. So should we address it?
Unfortunately, it is not a choice.
Unfortunately, it's not.
If it was, I would choose.
Yeah, if it was, it would be so great. I would really like. I would propose to Sakshi on the first day.
But, and I know I shouldn't be so free on the podcast, but I feel like today's a little bit of a slumber party after ours vibe.
Mm.
Can we talk about Sufi and Anjali?
Sufi. Oh, I thought Sufi Motiwa.
No. Sufi San and Anjali Chakra.
Yeah.
Chakra, sorry. Why am I saying it with an accent?
Chakra.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, there is like a straight girl perception that like, oh, if I could just date a girl and never have to deal with men.
Mhm.
But Sufi proved.
Yeah, I mean, cheating sees no gender, I think.
I truly believe that now.
Like-
Truly is my word of the day,
It is.
actually.
It truly is. I'm telling you, like, I could give you a life. Like, I know I'm not the trust fund person.
You're
But-
not 6'5".
I'm not 6'5" either. I'm 5'6" actually, if that makes any difference in conversion. But I would be the kind of partner like when you tell me what your dreams are, I would work really hard to make them happen. And I wouldn't put any of that pressure on you. I would just make you feel comfortable and cozy.
And that's daddy.
Do your homework.
Okay, there's 2 in a row, and they're both like, Sakshi is actually pretty nice as a person, and the immediate next one is Sakshi is real life Harley Quinn. Which one?
Both
is
are
it?
true.
Yeah, both are true depending on the day.
This podcast has really been a redemption arc for Sakshi.
Long form is where I shine, but short form is where I
Make money.
make money, and also
Yeah.
I'm too lazy for long form. I have been active on YouTube for a bit and I'm really enjoying it. But who knows, how long that'll last. But I do like my YouTube audience a little bit more than my Instagram audience. And if you'll start making me money, क्या
Sky's the
दिन आ जाएंगे. You both wouldn't mind dating a dad body guy if he's rich or otherwise also.
So what is the fixation? The
Yeah.
dad body or the richness or what?
I think the dad body.
Yeah, if he's a good dad, why wouldn't I? I mean, like, I don't really see. I've never been attracted to fitness in my life.
Really?
Yeah, it's not a. It would be nice, but I just want somebody who's like got a nice, clean heart.
Eh. Did I tell you about the time this one guy, like, I was gonna go on a date with him and then he cancelled on me because he was admitted to the hospital because of ab cramps.
Mm.
That's daddy.
That's not daddy. That's
No, but I was
Jijaji.
like, yeah, bro. Like, how can you be so fit that you have abs, but also so unfit that your abs are cramping and mommy has to drive you to the hospital?
No, I like that really salt and pepper hair. Like everybody in the Gandhi family, they have a very good head of like salt and pepper hair. It's very high fashion. Like Indira Gandhi had a beautiful streak.
Yeah, I also have that
Yeah,
actually.
and I love that. It's my favorite thing.
Lesbian dot 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 dot. Let's see. Naina got lip filler recently.
I didn't get lip filler. Why
Um,
are my lips looking nicer?
They were always
don't
looking
know.
nice, but I don't think they look different. The only thing when I see like Moss episodes from episode 1 to episode 40 or wherever we're at is your hair.
My hair's longer. I put on weight. I cry before every episode. Maybe that's my face is always
I think you look
swollen.
hotter now.
Thank you.
Yeah. Depression looks so good on you.
Dude, depression really makes you look good. It's kind of
Shut
insane.
up.
Bro, my mom's looking damn hot these days. I'm like, Mom, you're really killing it. You're looking beautiful.
Aw.
Yeah.
Both come from old money.
Oh. No. No.
Honestly, no. My dad made the money, for me at least. And I come from an upper middle class family. I've never, touch wood, had to worry about my next meal, my education. My dad put me in a school full of South Bombay brats. So I come from upper middle class, but not old money.
Yeah, my grandparents are all refugees. So
Same.
we all started from scratch.
Yeah.
My dad was in the merchant navy back in the 90s, so he was earning in dollars. So it was very new money, but like upper middle class money. And again, same being in Delhi, my parents wanted to give us a good education, exposure. So we know how the old money kids roll. So maybe we assimilate easier.
I agree.
Yeah.
I think mine is very similar, where like my grandparents are also all refugees. And I also think that it's very easy to pose as coming from money if you've had a certain type of
Upbringing.
exposure.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the accent, I'm assuming, is what people are getting at, is learned.
Dude, if you don't have this accent in the schools that we went to, it's like
You're over,
you're
bro.
gonna get dragged.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah. I don't know what this means, but meaty churi. Is that a slang
Yeah, it's a slang.
for?
Like you're sharp like a churi, but you still have like it's a cut that you liked. It's a sweet cut.
You know what?
Tikhi, right?
Churi is also this like prasad.
I know what it is. My nani used to make it for me. That's
Sindhi?
Sindhi thing.
Yeah.
Na? Yeah.
I was
know
like,
what
wait,
churi is.
what?
No, churi.
Okay. I mean, makes sense. Okay, Naina and I, if you see us together, you won't even realize if you're being bullied if you're a man.
Yeah.
And if you're a girl, we love you.
We love you.
Yeah,
We love you.
always.
You two are fighting. We're not fighting.
We're never fighting.
We don't fight because we don't have the patience to fight with each
Yeah,
other.
and honestly, I know sometimes you're upset with me, and I'm sure you know sometimes I'm upset with you.
Yeah.
But it's very chill because we're working together. We just get over it and we talk about it also.
It's like a married couple, you know, and
Yeah.
end of the day, jitta bhi muh phula ke, you'll have to come back to me only.
But I will say, like, and I don't think I've ever said anything like this before, but I truly love you and I care about you. And
45 episodes, let's go.
if
Yeah.
Naina's phone is not delivering WhatsApp messages, I reach out to her and I message, and I don't think I've cared about anyone
No.
like that.
You
in
have
my
to tell
life.
you, I had a mental breakdown.
Yeah.
No, this is a new one.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh.
And the only person who knew how to reach me was Sakshi. Like, I don't know how she knew, but she was the only person who figured out, hey, what's up? Are you okay? And I was like, how did you know that I was available in this portal? It was quite sweet.
If you know, 45 episodes aren't in vain.
Well, if I haven't said enough, I love you too.
You've said it a lot, actually.
That's true. This has been coming up a lot. Ranveer Alabadia is Naina's boyfriend.
What?
How did I give this energy off and who? How? What?
That's wild.
He's literally posting a whole other girl.
Yeah.
What are you doing, Ranveer? I thought we were together.
That's so funny because I don't even know what sparked those rumors.
Even
I love
don't
that.
know. You think it's just two podcasters in a room? They might kiss.
No, but no one ever ships me with.
They did. I remember after you and for having said that, like 3-4 things are like, oh, Sakshi, Jay, Jay. Okay, Sakshi makes awkward jokes while having sex.
I'm actually really good at having sex, so.
Can just tell that as funny as she is out of the bedroom, in the bedroom, it's like
It's very serious.
it's focused.
Yeah.
It's
I
an
have like
experience.
sex eyes that I make that I'm not gonna make IRL. But like, yeah. I don't make awkward jokes. Nothing about me in bed is awkward.
Lots of sex things. I think
For me?
No.
Okay.
Two for me. I guess because it's my page.
Yeah.
I think Naina is a dominatrix and
Out for that assumption. Here's the thing. I feel like people that are dominating in the streets are submissive in the sheets. And that's why I think Nana likes being collared sometimes.
I don't kiss and tell. I don't get collared and tell. I'm kidding.
I don't get down on my knees and get collared and tell.
I love this one. I think Sakshi secretly believes that mermaids are real. That's so specific.
I do.
You do, right?
Who said? I think Santa can be real. I'm a believer.
Okay, fair. I like the idea of a pretty mermaid. You know, there's that one YouTube documentary about really scary fucking
I think those
mermaids.
mermaids are
Those
real.
are damn
And
scary.
as someone whose dad was in the merchant navy, you know they spend months in the sea without looking at a woman. So I think they just imagine
Allegedly.
mermaids. I do think
Maybe.
Santa is real. I think mermaids are real. I think ghosts are real, but I'm much more scared of human alive men than I am of any ghost that ever was.
This you've said.
Yeah.
Bears are fine, ghosts are fine. Lots of
Toba
things.
toba, human man comes to me. I'm like, yo,
Yeah, she's like,
please. Sakshi is a hopeless romantic by heart. The fuckboy energy is just a cover.
fully
Thoughts?
true. Fully true. 100%. See,
Hmm.
even I don't know this much about Sakshi. The onion that she is, I've only peeled like 1 centimeter in. And I know in her relationship, I'm still trying to figure out the kind of girl she is when she falls in love. But
If I tell you, I'll have to kill you.
I like to be alive.
This is fun, and I think you want to address this. Nena hates Alia.
Oh, I got this also.
Okay.
I don't hate Alia. I think, okay, I'll explain this. I think Alia and I would have been in the same friend circle in school and stuff like that. We have a very certain way of talking, and it's kind of like a hazy, bitchy thing. And this is how all of us like converse. And I don't think you've ever seen the two of us together in a room. And that's why that energy just seemed like really off kilter. But literally, when I met Alia the next time, she was like, I showed it to my friends. I said, I showed it to my friends. And nobody thought that there was anything off. So I think it's just the way that we speak.
I also think you have a little bit of a resting bitch
Yeah.
face, which honestly, when we're shooting together, she still has it. It's
Yeah.
just her face. It's just that the way that camera's cut, you can't see it,
No, I've
right?
gotten it fixed. I went to the dermatologist and I got the firming facial, and
Shut
no
up.
longer resting bitch face is gone now.
Oh, this is actually like so untrue. Sakshi looks at it as more of a stressful job. Nena is the one of the funner gigs she's had.
Yeah.
I don't look at it as a job.
No, like you get. I mean, it's a joke. Again, it's her fucking banter. She's like, I hate this. If there's another WhatsApp group, I'll KMS.
Babe, we have 12 moment of silence WhatsApp groups. No one needs that many WhatsApp groups, truly.
No
Like,
one needs that many when you want to gossip about
oh,
the
for
other group.
sure.
And then you put the gossip on
Yeah.
the wrong group.
Have we ever done that?
Once almost.
Almost, yeah.
I remember as the WhatsApp group started getting formed, that was the main fear
Same.
from day one.
Yeah.
You were a topper in your school and college days?
That you got, no?
Yeah, but we can assume for both. I wasn't a topper.
I was.
Yeah, you were.
Yeah. And funny how times have changed. You both have very little in common in real life.
Yeah, why not? We don't.
Yeah, but honestly, I feel like our ideologies of like life are in the same wavelength.
I think both of us are quite like go with the flow and not hold anything to the heart for too long kind of people.
Yeah, and I also think that Nena and I, we come together in a damn sick fantasy of like just our worst selves.
Yeah.
And I love that because the way I am with Nena, I can't even do that with Sushi. And Sushi can't talk to anyone.
That's
So,
that's the only reason why.
yeah.
Because both of us love belly scratches. So at least I talk back.
Sushi hates belly scratches. You feel an inferiority complex around Nepo babies.
Yeah, of course.
Do you?
I feel stressed because I'll tell you why. Like, not an inferiority complex, but I can feel palpably how much easier things are for them, and I really wish it could be for me as well.
I think that's more of an actor thing because I truly feel above Nepo babies.
Fair enough. I mean, I just feel like, sometimes I'm leaving for shoot or I'm leaving for something and I haven't eaten in the morning. I've kind of run out of my room, packed my bag, I'm running in a place. I'm like, it would be really nice if I had some help right now.
Yeah.
I would really like if I had a car that could take me from one point to the other. And that is only because I'm going to stand in front of a camera after this. If I was behind the camera, I couldn't give a fuck. I could like literally roll on the street and reach my job. But I was just like, you want to reach, you want to feel a little glamorous, and then you have to put on like double extra. Like,
Yeah,
then your
it's a
Uber
lot.
doesn't come. Then I'm running behind the fucking rickshaw.
You have to get off at a GQ event in a Wagoner.
Yeah.
It's like a bit much.
Yeah, and everyone else is pulling, and it really plays on your head a lot. You're like, okay, I have to really find my inner self-confidence and strength to not let this push you down. Because that's how it's
But
set up.
I mean,
also.
I feel like that's more of like a, they come from money, all of that. And like, it's just a money thing. Like,
No, it's a people thing also. I'm like, okay, that, okay, this, I don't have any contacts here, but this person might be this person's uncle. They'll at least look out for them. Somebody at the back will just be like, just take extra care of this person. I would like that. Little help, little
in
help.
fact, maybe it's just a me thing. Correct me if I'm wrong. When I walk into a room, I have this, yeah, bitch, I'm self-made.
Yeah, fully, of course.
Yeah.
When the good things happen for me, I'm like, okay, I know from point A to point Z, I have done this on my own. No one can take that away from me.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, but would it be nice if I didn't have
You're
the
a little
Uber
bit
cancel?
jealous,
Yeah.
But you're not inferior.
Okay, I'm not inferior. Fair. You are right.
Yeah.
Thank you, therapist.
You're welcome, Angel. Both are planning for makeout session and costume for it. Naina's audience has found us.
It's literally only threesome. Nana is dating someone for over a decade and will only disclose it after getting married to them. Yeah, why not try it the opposite way? I don't mind. Why not? I don't want to put myself out there. I already put myself out there on the internet in so many different ways, and I already am an open book. So little things I want to keep to myself.
Y'all will see my solo performance at Naina's wedding whenever it happens. You both like emotionally unavailable men.
I feel like it doesn't matter how the man is. You and I are so set in a certain pace and way that even if they were like either super proactive or the opposite, because we're like, okay, we'll do this, this is our system, this is how we're set, they'll just be forced into decision paralysis. That's my hot take.
And what's the problem?
The problem is you want that person to kind of meet you halfway now.
I don't know what I want.
She's trying to pull this airy, sexy Marilyn Monroe thing.
Naina and Sakshi didn't get along at first. Lies. I
No.
thought we got along in the beginning.
Better in the beginning. Now
Yeah.
it's very complex.
But like Naina said earlier, it's a marriage. I'm committed. Don't divorce me. I'll let you win all the games.
That was taken out, okay?
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
I didn't know.
Nana is a pick-me. That's so obvious. I literally made a fucking episode about it. Like, yeah, of course.
Inherently, perhaps, but I think you're much, much more of a girl's girl than you give yourself credit for. I feel like Naina would never betray a girl for a man. Like, that's just not in her. It's just that she's a little bit more palatable around men and she's a little bit more like herself around women.
That's true.
Like,
it's my little SOS.
Yeah, like I think I've seen you around both men and women. I think she's one of those people that's like trying to make room. Yeah, like she's like, I hope this man is not bored. I hope he's not irritated. I hope he's not this. I hope he has all the basic needs in the whatever
hierarchy of needs met.
But Naina is truly herself around girls, and she is a girl's girl. And I've seen it in real time, and I can vouch for her.
Thanks, Sakshi. I'm healed. It wasn't a marathon. This is all I needed to heal.
Naina is dating Rohan Joshi.
What the fuck?
Do you all even follow each other?
I think so.
Oh, and that's all? Because I've never seen y'all interact.
I've never interacted with him.
What the fuck, guys? Leave her the fuck alone, honestly, at this point. I'm that friend who's just like, no, you can't hook up with her.
I love this one. You two will marry two brothers and stay together. Honestly, you
Ick.
two brothers, if you are out there.
We could never marry two brothers unless we're both unhappily married.
No. And it would have to be specifically outside Bombay. Like in Delhi, I think it would work. Because in Delhi, they build the, if there's a standalone
Naina.
house. Huh?
Your camera wasn't rolling.
Shut up. I've been staring into it the entire time.
Really?
Yeah.
Fuck.
We'll cut on the wider one.
How
But I've been
much-
staring in this camera the entire time.
How much was it not rolling?
Like the entire
The
thing.
entire time?
Yeah.
Fuck.
Okay.
But she wasn't talking that much. If maybe we should.
I literally have been staring into this
It's
camera
a
the
prank.
Is it actually or is
Yeah.
it not? What the fuck, bro?
Sakshi has made this elaborate thing.
Oh.
She's been trying to prank you all day, but she never got the chance. Just text me saying, you know, we just like say
Like back.
I really couldn't. At this point, nothing does anything.
No.
There's no way
My
Vedant
favorite
could-
part is,
Past trigger हो गया.
I was like,
you know, and I forgot about the prank. So when you said that, I was like, oh fuck, we're fucked. And I was like, oh shit.
look, I know Vedant's been sitting there and he's been staring here. And there's no way Vedant का भी past trigger हो जाता अगर ये camera roll नहीं हो रहा. So it's not possible. For those of you who don't know and want to care about this story, back when we started with the same team and we ended because one person who's no longer part of the team left the camera rolling without focus.
That's
And-
why he's not there. in
That's
the-
why-
That's why he's not there in the team. And the
And now-
most top rated comment was even a monkey can pull focus. I didn't say it.
It was a top comment. But also, Naina's camera was the only one that was on the screen. So
I swear. And the best part is that was one of our top rated episodes for
the
the video.
the first travel.
The first travel
episode,
one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the second one wasn't cutting it.
It's also done really well.
Oh, I haven't seen.
how long was it out of focus for?
30 minutes.
30 minutes.
Like that
Thank
special
you guys for
3-0.
supporting me in this journey of pranking Naina.
Thanks for this
The
prank.
prank was on. Let's see what you can do.
Oh god.
Naina is gonna lose prank wars.
Okay.
Assumption by me.
We've done enough of these assumptions. Even I am bored of them. You guys have no interesting assumptions.
Sick. You know what I want to do? You guys have met Natasha virtually, but she's never really spoken. I would like to invite Natasha into a hot seat situation where we ask her whatever questions we want to for
Yes.
2.5 minutes.
She's all ready. I can hear her heart beating and she's not even mic'd.
Aja.
Acha.
Like, that will rag me.
No.
No.
For the first time on this podcast.
Who is this, Natasha? Thank you for joining us on camera. So, for those of you not familiar, which
Who
no
are
one
you?
cares because like Natasha is responsible for the vibes of this podcast. She is truly our best asset apart from being a stunning model,
Yeah.
a talented, extremely talented singer.
Musician, producer, and also director, creative producer. What can't she do? She just can't
Except
speak
be
in
on
public.
camera.
Just public speaking not happening.
Well, Natasha,
Let them hear your voice, Natasha.
sick.
Sick.
Get out.
I will try to say 5 words.
Okay, say 5.
One of the 5.
अबे
Describe-
mic तो लगा अपने मुंह पे.
Describe moment of silence in 5 words. 2 words. 1.
My God, okay. So Natasha's been around since almost the beginning, and since she entered the team, there's been a decisive quality change.
Y'all can tell.
You
Y'all
can-
can tell which episodes Natasha was on and which she wasn't on.
Every time the mics were bedazzled, Natasha's been there. The sign at the back, Natasha's done it. All of it is Natasha. We're just
The one shoot that I couldn't show up to, they just threw the pillows on the couch. They just fucking left them there. Like, good job on bringing them to the shoot, but they just left them.
We were
honestly.
already at my house.
We did it just so Natasha would see and she would come back to the next shoot because we knew that would bait her.
And it worked.
So, Natasha, we're putting you on the hot seat. You have 2 minutes on the clock. You have to answer these questions. Okay?
What's one thing you would change about Naina?
Fuck you.
Okay,
Come
about
on, you
me.
can answer. We don't care.
About
It's not
me
like I've
and
thought
Naina.
about it.
Yeah.
I'm sure you have some things.
No, you guys are really nice.
Okay. Who has the better attitude in life?
In life, I relate more to Nana and like I aspire to be more like Sakshi.
Same.
me.
Facts. Facts. Who do you think will end up in a happier relationship?
I think Sakshi.
I agree. She definitely.
I feel like
will.
you and I are more like, fuck it, sure. Chai.
I agree.
Who do you think will be more successful in life?
Mossbod.
It's okay. We will be with you throughout.
Yeah, you're coming on
I
whatever.
feel like the child of divorce right now. Just being asked to pick.
Who do you want to live with?
If you had to spend your
Sushi.
time. Okay, but tell us seriously, what's it been like being a part of Moss? A lot of it has been your blood and sweat and not compensated. I hope you don't have ill feelings.
I actually really like Moss. And I feel like I always say this. It just feels like my inner child is happy working on this project. It's very like girlhood coming alive. And I just love that like I get to play with stickers and do arts and crafts for like a job.
That's true.
I just
I will say, Natasha, you are the best thing that's happened to this podcast. And you're my best asset. And I hope to keep you happy forever.
And so now you know. Yeah, you can. I think the best time that we had was when we were going to do the Wish episode because it really brought us together as a team on the back end. We
When we were sitting in the night and stitching the
wish
tops.
tops. Then we went to like Bandra and we picked
so
up the
sorry.
beads. We picked up 3,000 rupees worth of beads.
Dude, you know, that was my favorite moment with Natasha, mainly because, like me, you didn't care how hard Naina had to work. As long as the shit got done.
Bro, these kids, they don't even know how to fucking sew. Like, taka bhi nahi marna aata. I'm like, what? What happened? And best is, Sakshi just come in with one goal. She wants to drink. Okay. Natasha's come in with one goal that she will hyper fixate on which bead will match which bead. Do you think the banana is nice with the bottle of yogurt? Yeah. Oh, no. I think it's too much. Let's put the orange next to the banana. No. It's too much. I'm like, it's a 1 centimeter by 1
And
centimeter.
Naina sitting there like she's part of a sweatshop, just
Sewing.
There's that one clip on your vlog where she's just like sewing without eye contact.
she's like class either to when. And truly when.
Oh, but it was a lot of fun. And of course, you know, Natasha also, we've not taken a vlog because we have held on to everything but her driving us around town. She's an amazing driver. There was this...
They only killed you guys one
yeah,
time almost.
there's this thing called Road Rage. It's a game. And Natasha was one of
She
the...
thinks it's real life. But also, Natasha, a lot of people don't know. They know that you're the Tinder girl.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Come on. You know the... Yeah. Yeah, you know that...
That was
Yeah.
really cute. That was a cute ad.
But also, I don't think y'all know that she has a bunch of banging songs.
Yeah, music
Like,
out.
obvious. Like
Vedant.
HBD.
Yeah.
Plug Vedant link.
How do you manage to pack so much into your time?
I don't.
You do.
I mean, I do, but like, I guess it is a struggle, and I feel like I've taken a very long time to figure out how to juggle everything. And it honestly has felt like such an uphill battle for like so many years because I kept like jumping from one thing to another. But I think it was also because I couldn't find something I truly loved, and then music ended up being that, and like creative production, like stuff like this, the stickers on the mic. I like it, but what was your question
No,
again?
that was the question. And I want to know, like, I always struggled growing up with trying to pick a lane. And all my life, to this day, I heard it yesterday. Someone's like, just pick one focused lane and just do that. Why are you wasting your potential? I'm like, at 35, I don't have potential.
Mama said it was okay.
But like, are you happy like when life is kind of free flowing, when you feel like you're kind of doing 6 things at one time? There's no work-life balance, but you're doing things that you like.
I do feel like you have to grind to some degree, right? But I would love a vacation once in a while. I just
When Moss hates 50K.
Babe, when Moss hits 50K, before that, ma'am has lost her passport.
Oh,
Yeah.
I did not know
she's
that.
supposed to leave for the UK in 2 weeks, and she's come out and found that the passport is missing. Last seen 1 year ago. Since then, not seen. Now she's going to Nashik to get a passport.
what? That's wild. Well,
yeah. If you have any like plugs, like passport plugs, please
if you all have any
hook me up.
passport plugs, hit us up. I don't know. They couldn't find my harasser, so I don't know if they find a passport plug. Whatever's first, guys. Same level. But thank you so much, Natasha, for joining us in spite of being so reluctant. We really make you do things you don't want to do. But we also love you.
Yeah. And wouldn't you rather it be girls making you do things you don't want to do?
Yes.
Because it's only sticking stickers on a mic.
Not putting your mouth.
Yeah.
Nah, but for real, you guys don't. I feel like you never like push me like that, so it's good. And you guys always are very respectful, and you're very like, thank you, please, thank you, sorry, please, thank you, please, thank you, yes. So like,
Yo,
yeah.
just do the...
leaves all the groups.
Yeah. All the 15 groups.
The best thing is now over time, okay, and Natasha, have you ever seen a hyperlapse of a seed germinating and turning into a flower? That's the level at which, the speed at which Natasha's personality comes out, because she's such an introvert. It comes literally like only when you see all the footage in fast motion. You see,
Yeah, you see something.
yeah. And I see that over time, like, she's really come out of her shell. And even Moses was saying the other day, he's like, I've never seen Natasha interact with people the way she interacts with you and Sakshi. She's like really in her element.
But you guys do bring that out about people. You make people feel comfortable enough and kind of like they're in the girl group, like whoever it is. Like you kind of feel like you want to talk and like share your deepest, darkest secrets. So it's just,
I
don't
do
know.
want to share my deepest, darkest secrets with you.
Tell us right now.
Off
Off
camera.
camera for sure. That's a more after hours podcast.
That's like way too after hours. Because we were gossiping in the car, so we got lost on the way to the studio. Like twice, literally. But I truly enjoy both of you guys' company. More Natasha. No.
That's fine.
Same.
Me too, yeah. It just started raining and I feel like I'm on a hill station, but like a hill station in Euphoria where there's like kids doing weird shit in the other room, and we're the 3 older sisters that have been sent to chaperone and make sure that no one goes missing and stuff. I was thinking, let's play like Antakshari or something.
Shut the fuck up. It's fuck, marry, kill time.
Oh God, bro. Yeah.
Natasha, you and I can put Naina on the hot seat.
Oh yeah, sure. Go for it.
Let's ask her whatever we want to.
Beanbag shift.
2 minutes, okay?
Let's
Natasha
go.
on the clock. Let's ask her. If you got signed for class today, knowing that you had the podcast, etc., would you do it?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. Influencing or podcasting?
Podcasting.
Are you dating anyone?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. Interesting.
Is it Ranveer Alabadia?
It is between Fuck, Marry, Kill, Mojo, Rojo, Ranveer Alabadia, and who else? I don't know. The third person they kind of ship me, Aryan. Vinamra. There's so many to pick
Stop
from.
it.
Yeah.
You're sparking the rumors. What's one thing you want to change about me?
About you, that you respond more on groups.
Fuck off. What's one thing you want to change about Natasha?
That she voice more of her opinion.
I just thought on that note
Yeah.
of what I want to change about you.
Yeah, let's
There's
go.
sometimes like when I'm trying to call you, and that's usually when I'm late, but it's like no answer, nothing. Phone is in a bag, it's gone. And then I just have to figure my way like into the situation. Like, how do I go and where do I like, but yeah.
Fair. I
Phone-
can
phone
change that for
thing.
you.
If there's one actor you want to switch lives with, who would it be?
Tough. I feel everyone's sad. But
Interesting.
maybe like I would love to be on The Bear. I want to really be on that show. And Indian, maybe I'd shift with like swap with Deepika because she's got such a long career going.
Amazing. Yeah. One actor, content creator that you think should like retire a little bit.
Should retire.
Uh,
What is this?
Yeah,
oh,
2
it's my
minutes.
timer.
Oh fuck!
Shit,
You
sorry.
can answer the last one.
I'm trying to think. Have I said an answer offline that
No.
no, right? I don't know. They're all doing well only. Yeah, sab ghaseet rahe apna content.
Yeah. Consistency is key.
Yeah. Everyone who's bought a house now stop making content. Let the others
It's
buy a
enough,
house.
yeah.
Bus. Come on, enjoy your life now. Let's put Sakshi on the hot seat.
I'm
It's-
so out.
It's hard to put me on one because I'm an open book, as one listener said, and Sakshi is the one that's like really.
I'll just take time to answer questions.
Are you ready, Sakshi?
No. Can I have a sip of the juice?
Do-do-do-do-do-do. This is a sound from Kaun Banega Crorepati where
Oh,
you enter the.
Okay.
things. Yeah.
That's not the sound. We've all watched Kaun Banega Crorepati.
आज हम जानेंगे कि कमजोर कड़ी कौन. Do you guys know that show?
No.
Okay, fine. Just me then.
What show is that?
कमजोर कड़ी कौन? No,
That's like a tagline or something.
no. Comment down below if you watch कमजोर कड़ी कौन.
I'm actually really curious. What was that about?
Has anybody in this room watched कमजोर कड़ी कौन?
Bro.
Fuck it. Just fuck it at this point.
Nena's really on the hot seat.
Okay, Sakshi, 3, 2, 1. Is there something about you that we don't know?
Yeah.
Wait, this is a bad question. Sorry. Okay, fine. Sorry. Better question. Of all the things that we've discussed in terms of conflict and stuff, are there things that you keep to yourself that you're trying to protect somebody else from?
In what sense?
In the sense that I feel like you tell me like things that are going wrong, but then later, 2 weeks later, you tell me a whole other thing that was happening in your life, and you've not told me because you were like, okay, I want to keep this to myself.
It's like not telling your friends about your boyfriend being shitty so that they
Or
don't hate
yeah,
him.
any big deep things happening in your life.
Yeah, I don't like talking about big deep things happening because I don't want sympathy from other people.
Okay. But do you go to sleep crying or you're okay?
I'm okay.
Okay. Do you find
I'm
anybody
literally-
from any of our collaborators, any male collaborators that we recently worked with attractive?
Who have we worked with?
Recently, not on our channel.
Moving on.
Moving on. And ask now, come on.
She had 3 questions. One of them is not making the edit.
If you could leave Sakshi at your parents' place and he wouldn't if you could leave Sushi at your parents' house and he wouldn't object, how many days would you leave him for to live a guilt-free life as a single mom?
4 days.
4, okay. And what would you do in those 4 days?
Honestly, I would just stay out till late at like non-pet friendly places.
Sexy. Okay. If there was one actor you could get on DM with right now and make something happen, who would it be?
Interesting. You know, I was just thinking about this like when I was...
I thought of a question. Should I still ask it?
Ask it. You can do anything, Pookie. Answer the question.
Yeah,
Wait.
yeah.
First, you answer the question.
You didn't answer your question, bitch.
Okay, fine. There was no answer, but okay, you ask.
Who's your favorite and least favorite guest on the show? Can we ask
Oh.
that?
Yeah. Of course.
My favorite guest is Naina. My least favorite guest is Naina when there are other guests.
Bitch, that was such a cop out because I know your actual answer.
That's fine. No, you guys guess in the comments what my actual answer is. It's just rude because we're not paying them to come on the pod.
That's
They're coming
true.
out of goodwill.
That's
I don't want to
true.
fuck it up. But I do have an answer.
And me, the unpaid guest, still taking the fucking shit to the face.
Yeah. And not only she's an unpaid guest, she's also paying.
This is the worst brand deal I've ever done. I swear.
One guest that you would want on the show, both of y'all.
You know, it's so tough to say because I've been seeing that people find it very difficult to understand the energy of Moss. And then we start overcompensating and matching their energy versus them matching our energy.
But I think that's a pro and a con. I think it's great that we can do that, and I think it sucks that they can't do that.
But that being said, Ranbir Kapoor's niece.
She's a baby.
But she's too good.
She's great. I just don't want to subject her to like
I know. I wish we
virality.
didn't have such adult content because if we didn't, I would call her on. I want to chat with her every day.
But we have adult content, so
Yeah.
go to sleep.
Okay.
I don't have a dream guest. I think the episodes with Naina are my favorite.
Oh God, this girl. You're like a Miss India contestant. Your answers are touching every touch point.
For the first time, someone decides to be fucking vulnerable and she's like, oh, she's a fuck. On that fucking note, we're leaving. Natasha, I'm sorry you don't get to answer this question anymore because I'm out as fuck.
Subscribe to this channel. Please apologize on my behalf to Sakshi in the comments.
It's not gonna work, honestly, one day.
We love you. Bye.
Bye.